Just an introduction. It's called CourtVision AI.
Okay.
Yeah. So tennis, like other sports, requires a lot of practice and feedback to get better at. However, it's difficult sometimes to get that coaching because of scheduling issues and costs.
Definitely.
CourtVision AI uses technology and AI so that players can access it anywhere and for free. Yeah. So
Okay. Continue.
three main issues, like I said, are accessibility, cost, and risks. Normally, private or
Right.
people often don't have the flexibility to meet up with coaches, and coaches are often only available at certain times that don't work out. And private lessons cost between $60 and $150 an hour, and the current top application online AI coach is $20 a month. And
Understood.
without a coach, there's a high risk of injury and slowed improvement. Yeah.
Okay. Move on.
So the real world impact of this project is so that people can get free coaching,
What is your
and it's
project,
very accessible.
Alex?
Yeah, here. This is my project. Um, all you have to do is launch the site, and then you can immediately start using it by uploading an image, video, or live recording. One of the options up here.
Okay. Why don't you just show
And
me?
these are some of the feedback. You want me to go to application now?
Yeah, just show me, right? It's not waste time.
Okay. So here's it. Oh my gosh. This
You
might
don't
take
have
a
it
little
open?
while. I have a screen recording here where I went over it. This was what I uploaded for the end of evaluation form.
You deployed on Vercel and
You
renderer,
can
right? So
see. Sorry, what?
you deployed on Vercel and renderer or just renderer?
Oh, okay, it launched here.
Oh, there you go. Okay. So good.
So you can upload an image by clicking here. For example, let's do this one of the professional player. And then here's a form score, shot classification here, some metrics about um, your body positioning based on the joints, and then a progress chart. You can upload images and it tracks your progress over time.
Okay. What do
Yeah.
you mean by progress exactly?
So if you're just starting out, it'll be lower, and then you can track how much you improve over time based on the
Is it
quality of the
that
photo.
that graph of the progress thing, right? Like, is this like the score you got the like 91 up there? Is that what is measuring here? Like, what is exactly going on here? That I don't see an X
It's
and Y axis
measuring the
here, right?
91 here.
It's okay. Is that over like the multiple days? Is that it?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay. All right. Got it.
Because this is the overall score based on all the other metrics.